Hello, I'm James Thomas. I'm the Vice President of the Association for Software Testing, and I'm here in San Diego getting ready for CAST 2022, November the 7th and 8th. The theme is hands-on, and we're going to be talking about and doing hands-on testing. Come along and join us. 2 days of workshops and track talks, sessions, all of which are going to be dedicated towards practical skills that you can take straight back to your workplace.
Hi, I'm Rachel Kidler. I'm on the board of AST, and I'm here in San Diego with the other board members. We're putting together a fantastic program for CAST in November. I hope to see you there. It's going to be so amazing. San Diego is delightful. The weather is gorgeous all year round, and the program, talking with my hands a lot, but that's what we do. We are learning about how to do things practically. So please come join us in November. It's going to be amazing. Hope to see you there.